Assalamu alaikum students. I am Shahid Ali Khan, your IT teacher, and today I have another new video related to Microsoft Excel sheet. In this video, we are going to calculate the sales tax amount of different items given. So let's start. There is a worksheet you can see, and we have to calculate the sales tax amount of different item price. For example, in column A we have table clock and quantity of table clock is 5, and lamp we have 4 lamp, and study table their quantity is 3 and computer table 5, and the unit price is given into the C cell. As we can see, the unit price of table is 5 250, and the lamp unit price is 200, and so on. Now we have to calculate the total amount of each item given in the sheet. So how could we calculate the total amount? You have to select the particular cell address where you want to display the total amount, and that is just below the total amount, and here we want to calculate the total of table clock. After selecting the cell address, you have to move towards the FX window, then write equal to sign, and after that you have to select the particular cell address which you want to calculate. For example, that one is B3 and you want to multiply with unit price and press enter key. So you will have the total amount of this item, that is table clock, because we are going to multiply the number of quantity with the unit price. So you will have the total amount, and again we have to apply on the lamp study table. So again and again we will apply. No, there is a facility in Microsoft Excel that you have to apply a formula or function once, and after that you have to use auto fill feature. You have to apply this formula like this, drag down wherever you want to apply that formula, so you will see that automatically the total amount will appear. You have to select any particular cell, you will see the same formula, but the cell address has been changed. You can see this is B5, C5, and this one is B6 and C6. In this way you can calculate the total amount. Now let's move towards the sales tax. How could we calculate the sales tax amount that is given? We can see in the B8 cell, and amount is given 8.60. So how could we calculate the sales tax amount of each item given in the sheet? So again you have to select the particular cell address where you want to calculate the sales tax amount, and after that move towards the FX window, write again equal to, and the amount which you want to sales tax, that is D3, and you have to multiply with the cell address that is given the amount of sales tax, that is B8. Now I am going to calculate the sales tax amount by using the absolute cell address or absolute referencing. In absolute referencing or absolute cell address, you have to write $ just before the column and the row. Column is B and the row is, column is B and the row is 7. Row is 8, sorry. And after that you have to press enter. So you will see the sales tax amount will appear in the blank cell where I have selected. So again you have to apply the autofill feature like this, and it will calculate the sales tax amount of each item, as we can see. So in this way we can calculate the sales tax amount by using absolute cell address. Again now I want to calculate the final price of the each item. So how could that? One is very easy. You have to select a blank cell address where you want to, for example, just below the final price, and after that move towards the FX window, then write equal to, and you want to add the total amount, then sales tax. So it will be D3 then plus sales tax, and press enter key. So you will have the final price of this item after adding the sales tax. And same again you have to apply that formula by autofill feature, and it will calculate the final price of each item. So students, like this we can calculate the sales tax amount of different items provided us in the worksheet. I hope that you have understood and you will apply this sheet by yourself. If you have any problems, so you can ask